Are you looking noise cancellation, stylish appearance, long battery, hands-free calling, travel, normal and gaming user, high quality audio Bluetooth headset? Then this video for you. You are watching Tech Talking. I am Bilal Mobashar. Today I'm going to introduce you HP Bluetooth headset 500, which recently I got a gift from HP GCC management on the occasion of HP Annual Day 2024. Thank you so much Mr. Reddy and Mr. Nishad for such a beautiful gift. Let's unbox product first. Type C charging cable with the USB option. And this is the product. Wow, so amazing. You can see easily both sides have HP branding, and then adjustable, and then also very comfortable, so you can close and you can keep anywhere wherever you like to use. And then adjustable, comfortable and strong also. Here you can see the option is there, USB charging port is there, mic is there, light is there, which we will definitely use later. Volume up and down option is there, plus power on off and call receive and options. You can see on the screen how you can use these buttons, so that will help you also. Let's talk about more the features about this product. HP Bluetooth headset 500 comes with several key features that make it a popular choice, like Bluetooth connectivity. You can pair it with various devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops and computers, also giving a long life battery backup, so you can enjoy up to 20 hours with uninterrupted listening or calling on the single charge. Built-in microphone. HP Bluetooth headset 500 comes with the built-in microphone in enable hands-free calling, making it convenient for taking calls. Noise cancellation technology. HP Bluetooth headset 500 comes with advanced noise reduction technology, with all help in minimizing background noise during calls, ensuring clear and crisp communication even in the noisy environment. Onboard control. Easy access to functions like volume adjustable, track skipping and call management without needing and reaching to your device. Foldable design. HP offer a foldable design, making them compact and easy to carry around in a bag or in the pocket when you are not used. Compatibility. HP Bluetooth headset 500 comes with a various operating system and devices including Windows, Macintosh, the iOS and Android, providing versatility in usage. High quality audio. HP Bluetooth headset 500 delivering clear and crisp audio. The headset and suitable for both music playback and voice calls, ensuring immersive in listening experience. If you are a casual gamer, the HP Bluetooth headset 500 can enhance your gaming experience by providing clear audio and allowing you to communicate with other players. Using the built-in microphone, the advanced features added to dedicated gaming headset can be great option for casual gaming sessions. Also, you can use the HP headset while traveling, exercise, work from home, meeting over the Zoom, Skype, Team, etc. The headphone provides you voice prompt and status alert for various functions such as a power status, connection status, and incoming calls, keeping you informed without needing to check your device. Hopefully you like this product. If yes, please visit your nearest store and buy HP Bluetooth headset 500. Also share your feedback in below comments. Thank you so much for having this video and watch till the end.